We have already more than 3,000 users around the world. We are a very eager company to increase. Our key advantage is we offer a FIORI-based solution for SAP Business One in S/4HANA. Open Solutions Manufacturing is basically a new company that we are in the market for 4 years, but we've been growing in a very fast path during the last 4 years, and we're gonna get double the size back year. We got a point that partners are calling us to invite us to go abroad. Our portfolio is ready to connect SAP Business One and S/4HANA. We concentrated a lot of success history on food, chemical, and mechanical. At this point, we have already some projects in Colombia, Chile, and also Portugal. We expect to have customers in Europe and North America this year, and next year maybe APJ, depends on how it's going to be working. Our solution is very flexible and easy to connect. We have APS, manufacturing, quality, anything related to that. The new we brought to this event was some devices can capture some real-time information that can bring into the solution. And the manufacturing managers can track that on the dashboards. So if you have something around or related to this situation, reach out to us.